So I'll just save the project up to this point. And then we open up the families and then we go to the wall section. So on top of the walls that we've discussed before, we have the stack wall that's here. And I've discussed it fully in the Revit package of 2020. So I get a duplicate of it and then I'll rename it to the parking joinery wall. And let me just type it out. And there we go. Let me just type in the underground parking instead of parking here. There it is. And there we go. After doing that, I'll just open up the type properties. So because we're montaging a wall here, let me just go to the edit type. So in this menu that we have, I'll scroll down and then select the lower part of the joinery of the lower wall. Just cancel this and then let me just edit the height to 1.3 meters. So we go here and then I select the lower part again, and the remaining part is the joinery for the upper section. And I'll put the offset setting to core face exterior. And I just selected that so we can align these two together. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So let's just take a look at the CAD file. As you can see, they're the same. They look the same. And this is the interesting feature of Revit. So here I'll hit OK. And then OK here again. And if I make any changes to the wall here, we have the modification of both of them aligned together, the stacked wall, like this. So after we've seen that tip, let me just get rid of this. And then let's go to the underground planning. So this is all for the parking section. Let me just select the wall. And then we go to the stack wall part here. And then I'll start drawing the wall. So we grab this one and then we draw it up to this point here. Then from here we start again, and there we go to this point. And then let's go to the 3D view, and this is what it looks like. Then we go to the section box, and then later on we'll be learning how to draw the doors and the windows for this part and fix their issues. So let me just go here, and then let me pull this one here. So there it is, and let's just select this. Let me just select all of these and then pull up the section box. Let me just bring this a bit lower so you can get a better look at it. So as you can see, this part here has been joined, but this part hasn't. So we can use the align assembly and then we'll just join these parts together and then we'll fix it. And there we go. As you can see, you can have all the detailing in the wall and the door here, and you can see them clearly. And this point here is our architectural base, and if we draw later on, we can see it clearly. So I'll continue doing the joinery for the parking here, and then we go to the next part.